Right, so find the solution of x squared plus 7x equals 83 to one decimal place, and it gives you that the answer, x, is somewhere between 6 and 7. Now the first obvious thing to do is to check 6 and 7 to see which one it's nearest to. So I'm going to replace, every time I see an x, I'm going to replace that with 6 first of all. So I'm going to go in 6 squared plus 7 times 6 equals what? Ideally it'd be 83. But it's unlikely. 6 squared is 36 plus 7 times 6, which is 42. That gives me 78. Which is fairly close to 83, but it's a little bit too low. Given that I've tried 6, it makes sense to go and do 7 just to see which one's nearer. So 7 squared plus 7 times 7. That gives me 98, which is way too high. So what we need to go and do now is decide which one of those is going to be nearer. Now obviously, because 6 gives me 78, that's a lot nearer to 83 than 7, which gave me 98. So it makes sense to go and try some low number nearer to 6. So I'm going to go for 6.1. So 6.1 squared plus 7 lots of 6.1. And that gives me 79.91. Obviously I was wanting 83, so that's still too low. Given that that's too low, I'm going to go and try 6.2. Make sure you write down everything that you put into your calculator here. So that gives me 81.84. Because I wanted 83, that's also still too low. So 6.2 is too low. It's fairly close though, but I do have to try 6.3 just in case 6.3 is nearer. So 6.3 squared plus 7 times by 6.3. That gives me the answer 83.79. And that is too high, because I only wanted 83. So all I've got to do now is decide which of these two gives me an answer which is nearest to 83. Well, this one's 81.84, which is a full 1.16 away from 83. And this one is 83.79, which is only 0.79 away from 83. So 6.3 gave me the nearest answer. So to the nearest one decimal place, x must be 6.3. We don't need to go away and start finding it to 2, 3 decimal places. If it says give your answer to one decimal place, and then that's what we've done. So that's it.